Hi, I'm Mark Evans and welcome to McCONAGHY. We're very much a custom boat building shop. The DNA in the company is all about race boats. We've been building carbon fibre race boats for 50 years, some of the largest in the world, 100-foot maxis like Alfa Romeo and Wild Oats. And the way that we look at the products behind us is that we're putting some of that DNA into the products that we build today. Current product range is the multihulls like you see behind me. They're a performance multi-hull but with a luxury interior fit out. The standards and quality control from our perspective is just the passion for what we do. We have very well trained team leaders and department heads. From a project management point of view, we're delivering to a time scale for race boats. So we break down the project to very detailed timelines, and we also send reports to the client on how we're going on our schedules. We enjoy a challenge, that's for sure. So here at Factories we have 3 KUKA robots, one on a 15-metre track. That allows us to very much customise very large components within the factory. We can CNC 15-metre long part, 4 metres high. There's not a lot that we can't build. I mean, we do high-end metal work, composites to timber work. We use high tensile stainless steel, aluminium, titaniums. We go a very broad range. We even do the upholstery. Quality, custom builds, lightweight. This is McCONAGHY.